Hi, today I'm going to show you how to get the Extrude Portrait effect in Photoshop. So without any delay, let's get to the video.
At first, duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl J. Then select the duplicated layer and go to Filter, click on Stylize and select Extrude. Put the size as 12 and depth as 45. It might take a few seconds. Then add a negative mask by pressing Alt and click on this icon. Now duplicate it. Select the bottom mask and select the brush. Now mask in the extruded layer. Now open layer styles and move this slide to the left so that the effect will be seen only on the portrait. And here you got your final results. If you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.